Oh, oh.
ओके अभी तेरी बारी है बच्चे।
Hi guys, how you doing? You're watching Glee Travelers in Himachal. I'm Varsha along with my partner Mayur and my friend Amit. Today we are heading to Kalga, a mountain village in Tosh. तो हमने कसौल से बरसैनी के लिए लोकल टैक्सी 800 रुपीज़ में हायर की और हम लोग 1.5 घंटे में बरसैनी डैम पहुंच गए थे।
वेट कर रहे हैं कि हम कैसे इस बर्फ पे चल पाए। सुपर स्लिपरी। मैं एक बार ऑलरेडी फिसल चुका हूँ।
ट्रैक स्टार्ट होने से पहले ही ये दोनों गिर चुके हैं। गाइस, जो ये पहली स्टेप्स आएंगी ऊपर जाने के लिए कालगा के लिए, वो मत लीजिए, आप सेकंड वाली स्टेप्स लीजिए, दैट इज़ मोर ईजियर। बरसैनी से ऊपर कालगा पहुंचने के लिए अराउंड 35 मिनट्स लगने वाले हैं। इस वक्त अभी 5-5:15 बज रहे हैं और आई कैन ऑल्सो सी अ सनसेट, अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इट। मी एंड मयूर वर हैविंग 15 kg ईच बैकपैक्स और हम लोगों के लिए वो कैरी करना इस बर्फ़ में बहुत ही मुश्किल हो रहा था। सो वी हायर्ड द पॉटर, यू विल फाइंड हिज नंबर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो। और फाइनली हम लोग धीरे धीरे चलते हुए वो स्पॉट पे पहुंच गए थे जहां से हमें अराउंड 120 स्टेप्स लेके ऊपर कालगा विलेज पहुंचना था। Kalga is located at an elevation of about 8,200 feet, surrounded by mountains and apple and apricot orchard. It is a plastic-free village. So the nearest bus stop is Barshini. Kalga is also called the base camp for the famous Kheer Ganga trek.
So how's the track, guys?
I failed 3 times but I enjoy that.
So we reached our homestay, Village and Wild Cafe. So without wasting any time, we checked in and we found ourselves a place at the in-house cafe. This cafe had the perfect vibes and the perfect host, the very warm people, Sunny and Bunny. Sunny gave us some important information about the New Year party and how's the village around for us to explore. And of course, we were super tired, so we called it a day around 12ish. It's day 2. We are in Kalga. A lot of residents in Kalga have turned a part of their old wooden homes into homestays now. Talking about Village and Wild Cafe, this property was surrounded by apple orchards. We stayed at first floor. There were I think 6 rooms at first floor and a deck where you can sit and enjoy your breakfast or meals or outside beauty. They also had an in-house cafe at the ground floor. So we had shared bathrooms and geysers were available, but most of the homestays will provide you the same facility. Our hosts were very helpful. They had very minimum resources, but they were all ready to help us with whatever we wanted. After having our morning tea and coffee, we decided to explore the village around because it was looking like a snow-covered white wonderland. Actually, the ideal month to visit Kalga is April to May or September to November, but we were enjoying this snow-covered place in December. I think the sky has hypnotized my spirit. It just feels like paradise and I have a place in it. I'm loving it! Actually, coming up to Kalga village from Barshani was little difficult. If you are not used to, plus in December the temperature is really low. But my spirits are high.
You're loving it. If anybody asks me, are you going to do that again? I'll say yes, I will.
And we were having good time enjoying snow, and we found a cafe where we tried Maggie and some coffee. After that we clicked few pictures, played with snow, and in some time we headed back to our homestay. अब Apparently there are no ATMs in Kalga, but mobile networks are quite good, and there are few shops and cafe in the village that shut down at the dusk. मयूर और अमित इतनी बार स्नो पर गिर चुके थे, इसलिए मैं बच भी रही थी और डर भी रही थी गिरने से.
Oh.
Okay. अभी तेरी बारी है बच्चे. अभी तू ये पकड़
Okay.
ले.
Here you go. Hold this. चलो भाई.
नमस्ते आंटी जी.
नमस्ते.
कैसे हैं?
ठीक दो है यहाँ है बहुत मुश्किल
क्या करा हुआ है?
बाकी तो ठीक है नहीं देखो बहुत मुश्किल है फिर कैसे चल रही है आप?
मैं ऐसे देखो. मैं पैर रखता हूँ.
Here I come. गिर जाएगी ये तो.
स्लिप हो क्या हो?
वही कर रही हूँ पर खड़े होके डर लग रहा है.
हाँ, खड़े हो क्यों आ रहे हो?
Yay! Without falling.
Look at him, कुछ तो खुराफात चालू है.
Ouch!
मुझे पहले से ही पता था. And now afraid also.
I'm fucking Jackie Chan. You don't know me.
I got you, baby. I got you.
बड़ा आया जैकी चैन.
How did you like it?
And another step down.
काजू, तो वापस से गिरने वाला नहीं था. So,
I just want you guys to land safely.
I don't trust these guys.
If you do it, you do it well.
मुझे पता था लगने वाला नहीं है.
करीबन 3-3:30 बजे हम लोग वापस आ गए थे एंड हम लोग अपने डेक पे बैठ के ये व्यूज़ एंजॉय कर रहे थे. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने लंच किया और देखते ही देखते सनसेट का टाइम हो चुका था. And it was a New Year night, guys, and we also had an option to go to Tosh for a New Year party, which was supposed to be a rave party, but I'm not so sure about it. Of course, because we did not go for it, क्योंकि हमारे लिए वापस ऊपर आना, because these guys would be drunk, और ऐसी हालत में वापस आना would be very difficult. So we enjoyed our New Year night in the cafe itself with some new friends and some good music. But these guys, both of them were on another trip. I hope you know what I mean.
Killing it.
The temperature was really low, -6 and below, and this was our savior for the night. Happy New Year, guys! And that's the Kalga village on New Year night. And a cafe all lit up. And that's how we ended our New Year night in Kalga village. Day 3 in Kalga, 1st Jan 2021. After our breakfast and all, we were all ready to check out. First we have to trek down to the Barshini, and from there we will find a cab to reach Manali. And our next destination was Manali. तो हम लोग आधे घंटे में बार्शनी डैम तक पहुंच चुके थे और हमें वहाँ पे आधा 1 घंटा वेट करना पड़ा क्योंकि मनाली तक के लिए कोई कैब नहीं मिल रही थी बिकॉज मणिकरण साहिब में काफ़ी हैवी ट्रैफिक जैम था. सो बेसिकली वी गॉट अ कैब टिल मणिकरण साहिब और मणिकरण से कसौल हमें पैदल चल के जाना था जो कि 3 से 4 किलोमीटर है. एंड वी हैड टू कैरी आवर बैग्स विच वर वेइंग अराउंड 15 kgs. So guys, a small tip to save yourself if you're traveling to Himachal during New Year times. Avoid traveling on 1st of January because Manikaran Sahib is totally jam-packed for around 7 to 8 hours. Now we are heading to Manali from Kasol, and this is me, Varsha, signing off for now along with my partner Mayur and my friend Amit. Also watch our earlier vlog on Kasol, and soon you will watch us in Manali in a beautiful homestay. Thanks for watching guys. Please go share, like and subscribe to our channel, and put down in the comment section below what was your favorite part in the whole vlog, or write down in the comments if you have any queries relating to Kasol or Kalga. We will be very happy to help you. And lastly, whatever makes your soul happy, you should definitely do that.